this now. What? There's another one. What the heck? What? Wait, did Mount Holly issue this?
In Somerset.
Oh, for Morris in Somerset? What?
Between 16 and 20 inches.
20 inches?
Winds gusting as
Damn.
high as 45 miles
That's
per
a
hour.
lot of snow.
Ware, Mercer, Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset counties.
Okay, Mount Holly did theirs now. Let's
10
go.
a.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Monday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to
What the heck? Another one?
Areas
That is
of low
insane.
snow could significantly reduce visibility.
That is
Hazardous
insanely
conditions could
dangerous.
impact the Monday morning and evening commutes. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches.
What the heck?
Travel should be restricted
That is
to
crazy.
emergencies only.
We got told on KZZ31.
Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter
the
survival
heck?
kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be
That is
obtained by
insane.
calling 511.